How many times have you stood at your front door, arms full of groceries, desperately searching for your keys? That frustration is exactly what the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock promises to solve. With 7 different ways to unlock your door, including fingerprint scanning, keypad codes, and smartphone control, this smart lock offers convenience that traditional deadbolts simply can't match. But does it deliver where it matters most? Security and reliability. After 2 months of daily use, I'm ready to give you the complete breakdown, the good, the bad, and the surprising trade-offs you need to know before buying. Key features and real-world benefits. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro stands out with its 7-in-1 unlocking system, which includes 360 fingerprint recognition, stores up to 100 fingerprints. Anti-peep keypad allows you to add random digits before your real code. Smartphone app control, remote access via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi with the optional bridge. Auto lock and auto unlock based on proximity or a timer. Shake to open feature, a quick motion unlocks the door. Apple Watch compatibility. Mechanical key backup. Why this matters. For busy households, the fingerprint scanner is a game changer. No more digging for keys or remembering codes. Just a quick touch, and you're in. The anti-peep keypad is also a clever addition, letting you disguise your code by entering random numbers before or after the real digits, preventing shoulder surfers from stealing your passcode. The auto lock feature ensures your door is always secure, even if you forget to lock it manually. And if you're carrying groceries or have your hands full, the shake to open function lets you unlock the door with a simple motion. Setup and installation, easier than expected. One of the biggest selling points of the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is its DIY-friendly installation. Unlike some smart locks that require professional help, this one can be installed in 10 to 15 minutes with just a screwdriver. The process involves removing your existing deadbolt, aligning the new lock with the door's bore hole, securing it with the provided screws. The app guides you through the setup, including registering fingerprints and setting up access codes. I had no issues getting it up and running, though I did need to recalibrate the auto lock sensitivity after the first week to ensure it engaged properly. Performance and daily use. Fingerprint scanner. The 360-degree fingerprint recognition works impressively well, even with wet or slightly dirty fingers. I registered multiple angles of my thumb and index finger, and the lock recognized them consistently. However, extremely dry or worn fingerprints, like those from manual labor, might require a few tries. Keypad and app control. The backlit keypad is easy to use in low light, and the anti-peep feature adds peace of mind. The app, while functional, can be sluggish at times, especially when adjusting settings remotely. This isn't a deal breaker, but it's worth noting if you rely heavily on remote access. Battery life. The lock runs on 4 AAA batteries, which lasted me about 3 months with daily use. The app sends low battery alerts, so you're never caught off guard. Rechargeable batteries are a smart choice here to save on long-term costs. Want to see my real-world fingerprint and keypad tests? Click the link in the description for an exclusive demo, plus today's best price on the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro. The big concern, security flaws. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Physical security. While the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro excels in convenience, its mechanical lock mechanism is vulnerable to bypass techniques like raking or zipping. In simple terms, an experienced lockpicker, or even a determined amateur, could potentially open it in seconds with basic tools. Who should be worried? If you live in a high-crime area or prioritize maximum security, this lock might not be the best choice for your front door. However, for low-risk environments, E8G interior doors, vacation rentals, or garages, the convenience outweighs the security trade-off. Mitigation strategies. Pair it with a reinforced strike plate to make forced entry harder. Use it in conjunction with the security camera for added deterrence. Reserve it for secondary entrances rather than your main front door. How it compares to competitors. Versus August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, 4th Gen. The August lock offers sleeker app integration and auto-unlock features, but it lacks a fingerprint scanner or keypad. If you prefer biometric access, the ULTRALOQ wins. Versus Schlage Encode. The Schlage Encode has a higher ANSI Grade 1 security rating and a built-in keypad, but it's bulkier and lacks fingerprint recognition. The ULTRALOQ is more versatile for households with multiple users. Versus Yale Assure Lock 2. Yale's lock supports Apple HomeKey and has a more robust build, but it's significantly more expensive. The ULTRALOQ offers better value for budget-conscious buyers. Still unsure if this is the right smart lock for you? Click the link below to compare it side by side with other top models. Updated with today's prices. Final verdict: who should buy this? After extensive testing, here's my take. Buy the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro if you want multiple unlocking options. Fingerprint, keypad, app. You need a rental-friendly or DIY install smart lock. You prioritize convenience over maximum security. Avoid this smart lock if you live in a high-crime area and need a high-security lock. You rely heavily on remote app access. The bridge is sold separately. You prefer HomeKit integration. It requires a separate hub. Ready to upgrade to a keyless lifestyle? Click the link below to get the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro at the best price today. Use code KEYFREE10 for an extra discount. If this review helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.